More news coming in. The Supreme Court of India has taken Suo Motu cognizance of digital arrests. Supreme Court says forging court orders, signatures of judges to digitally arrest innocent people strikes the trust and faith of people in judicial institutions. The Apex Court has sought the assistance of the Attorney General, directing the Haryana government here Ambala Cybercrime Department to file the status report on a probe that was undergoing. Suo Motu petition has arisen out of a letter sent to the Apex Court by a senior citizen couple who have been defrauded of their life savings through a digital arrest scam between the 3rd and the 26th of September this year. The victims in their complaint had said the perpetrators claimed to be CBI, tax and judicial officials through phone calls, emails. The perpetrators used the mural also of the Supreme Court in a WhatsApp and a photo. Victims were under fear of property seizure, sent over a sum of a crore through multiple transactions. Victims have disclosed that 2 FIRs have been registered at the Cybercrime Cell Ambala under various sections of the BNS, indicating a pattern of organized criminal activities targeting senior citizens. Anisha Mathur has more. Anisha, what more can you tell us about this particular case and the orders that have now been issued by the Apex Court?
Well, Sneha, the Supreme Court has taken Suo Motu cognizance after a couple from Ambala, a senior citizen couple, sent a letter petition to the Apex Court. Now, what the court has specifically noted that there not only is there a pattern of organized criminal activities targeting senior citizens, they've also noted that these fraudsters have created a fake profile on WhatsApp bearing the Supreme Court's mural. Additionally, they've sent this couple fake orders reportedly purportedly passed by the High Court and the Supreme Court, which bear the forged stamps as well as signatures, not only of the ED officials but also judicial officers. So now the court is taking notice of this, saying that such criminal acts cannot be treated as ordinary cheating or cybercrime. This is not a solitary incident. This is a direct assault on the judiciary as well, because this strikes at the heart of the judicial system when forged seals and forged stamps and fake signatures of judicial officers are created to create this impression that there is a order for the asset seizure or for arrest, and therefore the Supreme Court has called for stern action on a pan-India basis with coordinated efforts by central and state police, and therefore notices have been issued to the Secretary, Home Ministry, the CBI Director, as well as the Haryana Home Secretary and the Cybercrime Cell in Ambala to respond to this matter. What is also important to note is that the court has asked for very, very speedy action on this. The matter is now going to be heard immediately after the court reopens after Diwali, because remember, next week the Supreme Court is closed for Diwali vacation. But they have asked for responses from the MHA, CBI and Haryana authorities immediately right after the court reopens, because the court is taking note of the fact that these are fake orders bearing forged signatures of ED officials, CBI officials, as well as judges, including a fake seal of the Bombay High Court, a forged stamp of the Supreme Court, and therefore the Supreme Court is taking this matter very, very seriously. Where a couple in Ambala was defrauded into paying almost over 1 crore rupees, and the Supreme Court taking note that this is not an isolated incident. There have been multiple reports of similar cyber crimes and fake digital arrests in the country over the last few months. Back to you.
For the moment, getting in those details is Anisha Mathur. The Supreme Court taking note of digital arrests and the manner in which these criminals in fact target senior citizens.